For the past year, there have been a few changes on the Super Dragon Ball Heroes game franchise. And that includes new characters. So that the game and the show can keep on running. And tonight we're going to draw the new villain that has appeared on Super Dragon Ball Heroes. It looks like the game is called Ultra God Mission. And this new character is actually a Supreme Kai named Aios, I guess. And, well, I don't know much about this character. But, I can't wait to see how this pans out. I guess it'll be a matter of time to find out, Aos's plan. Okay then, first we draw the head. Then we draw this rare clock. It's going well. It's delicious. Yes, it is. Anyhow, oh, dang it. Darn. Now we draw this mark here. So, alright then. If only Alexa were here. There we go. And finished. That's how you draw aios. Well, I guess that's her name. You guys think I made the helmet a bit too long? Nah, not really. Anyhow, proud you all got to see me draw this character, even though she's one of the new guys from Ultra God Mission. I do wish to find out more about the Ultra God Mission and what this new character has planned. Anyway, I'm proud you all got to see me draw this character. Please like your rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. See you next time.